Hi, I'm Peter, and in this video I'm demonstrating the Crowview Note, a portable monitor with built-in keyboard that works with almost any modern device that can output wired video. It was funded on Kickstarter in just 28 minutes, where I was one of its supporters, and has attracted a lot of attention for its innovative design. If you want to check out the Kickstarter campaign, I've added the link in the description below. The Crowview Note combines portability with functionality. It features a sleek 14-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080, a full keyboard and a large 84 square centimeter touchpad, and it weighs just over a kilogram. The screen is sharp, vibrant and perfect for productivity or entertainment. The Note even has a built-in 5000 mAh battery that can power whatever you have connected to it when mains power is not available. The device is equipped with multiple connectivity options. On the left side, you'll find a Type-C port that can deliver 5V and 5A power, a mini HDMI connector and a USB-A port. On the right side, you'll find a fully featured Type-C port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB-A port, a 3.5mm socket for power, and a power indicator. These ports allow you to connect the Crowview Note to a wide range of devices. I tested mine with a Raspberry Pi 5, a Khadas Edge2 computer, an iPad, and an iPhone 15. And I've also tested it as an external display for my Apple iMac. And every time the Note worked as expected. I've seen other users using the Note with a Jetson Nano, an Xbox, and Android phones. It even has built-in stereo speakers for audio playback. The versatility of this device is remarkable. So who is this device for? Just about anyone who needs a monitor, keyboard and touchpad that can work with virtually any modern device that can output video. When you consider the low price point of this device in comparison with the value it provides, I think that the Crowview Note is perfect for students, makers and tech enthusiasts who need a flexible and portable monitor and keyboard setup. You can use it to extend your laptop or desktop screen, or connect it to a modern Raspberry Pi or single board computer for coding, web browsing, or virtually anything you can do with a laptop. You can even connect it to your smartphone for a larger display. Let me walk you through some of its features now. Starting with the keyboard. It's compact yet tactile with comfortable key travel. The trackpad is responsive and supports multi-touch gestures, adding to the usability. Although it's not as comfortable to use as my regular Logitech keyboard, I find it feels good enough for prolonged touch typing, even when using it on my lap. Next is the display. The screen has full HD resolution, so text and images look crisp. It is bright and it looks good in a typically lit working environment. On the two sides, you'll find two USB-C ports, one data only and one for power and data. There's one USB-A port, a mini HDMI port, an audio jack, and a power jack for the external power supply. These ports make it easy to connect it to your devices. Another item in the list of advantages is its weight. At just over 1 kilogram, it's easy to forget that you're carrying it in your backpack. Now let me show you how I use the Crowview Note. First, I'll connect it to the Raspberry Pi 5. You can use cable to do so, but my preference is the Crowview Bridge Kit, which is also compatible with the Jetson Nano. Simply plug the Raspberry Pi 5 on one side, attach the USB bridge, and connect the assembly to the ports on the left side of the Note. The bridge also has an on-off switch to control power to the Raspberry Pi. The Crowview Note instantly recognizes the Raspberry Pi and displays the desktop interface. The keyboard and the touchpad work automatically. Your Raspberry Pi now is a laptop. Next, I'll connect the Khadas Edge2, a powerful single board computer that I reviewed in a separate video. Again, the Crowview works automatically, showing just how versatile this monitor and keyboard is for maker projects. I don't have a bridge adapter for the Edge2, so I use cables. For this, I need a HDMI cable for the display, a USB-C cable for power, and a USB-A cable for the keyboard and the touchpad. Once power is on, the Crowview Note comes to life with the Edge2 as its brain. I can use a Crowview Note as an extended display for my iMac. I only need a USB-C cable for this. The amazing thing is that the Note's keyboard and touchpad also work with the iMac, so I can use them instead of the iMac's keyboard and mouse. This is courtesy of the fully featured USB-C interface on the right side of the Crowview Note. Next, I'll try my iPad. one USB-C cable is enough, connected to the full-featured USB-C port on the right side of the Note. The Note will detect the iPad and it becomes an extended display for the iPad. I can now use the Note touchpad and keyboard as an input device for the iPad. The iPad is now a laptop, which makes it perfect as a laptop replacement when I'm on the road. Finally, I'll pair the Crowview Note with my iPhone 15. Using the same USB-C cable I used with the iPad, I can mirror my phone's screen. It's ideal for presentations or watching videos on a larger screen. However, unlike the iPad, I can't use the Note's touchpad as an input device for the iPhone. Maybe there's a way to achieve this functionality, but I haven't discovered it yet. The keyboard, on the other hand, works well. To wrap it up, the Crowview Note is an impressive device that works with almost any gadget capable of wired video output. Its Kickstarter success speaks volumes about its appeal. Whether you're a student, a maker, or someone looking for a lightweight laptop alternative, the Crowview Note is worth considering. I've been using it for about a week now, and its build quality and ease of use have really impressed me. You can learn more about it on the Kickstarter page and on the product page on the Electro website, which I've linked below. So thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and tutorials. Feel free to leave your questions about the Crowview Note in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. See you in the next video.